Hi everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboard America. It's a wonderful Sunday here, and I'm coming to you today because it's Sunday from my music and memorabilia man cave here. I needed to make this video because there seems to be a little confusion on the emails I'm sending out. So I thought this was the easiest way to explain what I'm doing. And there were instructions in the first email I sent you with the first set of Tyros styles, but some people didn't realize that, so I figured I'll straighten everything out now for you. As you know, the Genos is very user-friendly, but loading the banks has been a challenge for me and other people. Until now, when you purchased book bundles or a bundle, or you just purchased my styles, you had to set up the banks one user style at a time. Well, I got that figured out. I reached out to Peter Bartmans a few months ago on this issue, a couple months ago, and he explained the process to me, but I just couldn't still get the banks to load automatically. Well, after months of trying different processes, I finally figured it out. And this means when I unbox your new Genos, when I sell it to you, to completely set it up, I don't have to set up the banks anymore, which took over an hour for me to do, loading each user style one at a time in each bank. And it's the same guys for you who purchased the book bundles. So it was my job to figure this out for you guys. Now that I did that, I am sending out all of the Tyros 3, 4, and 5 styles, one category at a time. Now, I'll also be sending out all of my user styles again and the banks to get your Genos set up right. If you haven't done the Genos 2.01 upgrade yet, you'll be able to do it and quickly reload everything because of what I finally figured out. Now, you're going to need a blank USB stick for this, and it will also be a great backup stick. So now I'm waiting for a new shipment of Genoses to come in, probably tomorrow or Tuesday, so that when I do the video to walk you through this one step at a time, I'm going to be doing mine from scratch too. So the video is going to be perfect and easy for you to follow. Okay, so I sent out 2 emails on Friday the 20th that were Tyros, Ballads, and Ballroom. So what I want you to do is delete those emails. I wasn't sure I sent them out right, and I'm not taking any chances here. So only copy all the files that I'm sending you after Friday the 20th. Now make sure you copy them just the way I sent them with each folder. I am sending them out one folder at a time, so everything will reload smoothly. Next, I'll be sending out all of my user styles in one folder. Now you can load them all at once. The video that I'm going to make will explain everything to you again. Then I'll be sending out my registration banks. Load everything I'm sending you on the USB just the way I send them out. I'm not taking any chances with this process, so you can have full confidence that when we reload, whether you need to do the upgrade or not, it'll be done very smoothly. Now, in my setup video that I'm going to make next week, everything will be fully explained. You will have to delete all of the Tyros styles. You're also going to have to delete Mike's Genos user styles. and the banks before we can load everything back in. But don't worry, I really figured this all out, and it's easy once I figured out the process. It was crazy trying to get all this done. This will also fix the order of the Tyros styles, which I caused when I didn't title them the same way as I got them. Now, what happened was is sometimes I would put them as Tyros 5 Ballads. Sometimes I would do like Broadway, then Tyros 5. Well, that messed up the whole order. That's all fixed. Boy, your Tyros, or I'm sorry, your Genos is going to be loaded perfectly. Now, a couple of things here that I'd like to talk to you about. Input from you is very important, and a great place to ask for videos or give me input or song requests is right on my YouTube page while you're watching the video. The area where the thumbs up or down has a comments place. Please do it there instead of an email to me. I read all of the comments, and it's easier for me to look at it when I check the video every day after I put it up to see how many views it got, how many people liked it, and all of that. I also want to remind you to please remember to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If there's something you don't like about the video, do me a favor. Do everybody a favor. Just put a comment right there, right below the thumbs up. Make the comment. It makes us better. A lot of things that I'm doing now, I learned from you students, like the Midi files and things like that. I'm now doing the Midi files, which gives you all the notes that I'm playing on the right hand. So same thing happened with my chords. When I started putting the chords on with the fingering and the colors where you hold the fingers down to get to the next chord, those two things came from input from you guys. So please put comments there instead of emailing it to me. I read every comment. I'll remind you of that, and remember to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And this is not for me, guys. It really isn't. It really helps get people who are looking at a Genos purchase. It helps them find me. They always watch the videos with the most thumbs up. So I get people who call me who wish they had bought their Genos from me with my big bundle and price, and if they're like devastated that they didn't buy the Genos from me. So you're helping these guys, and you know my Genos bundle includes all the bundles. So that's a big deal with lessons and support, phone support, and all of that. They wind up having to pay more and not even get my bundles with the purchase. So you're helping other people, and you're also supporting Keyboard America because we're making more sales, which is great for us because, you know, we have to pay the bills. I've spent thousands of dollars on video cameras. I just bought a new one for our live broadcasts, which we're going to be doing more often. This new video recorder is amazing. It connects to my iPad, and I can literally touch the iPad screen and zoom in. So there's not going to be all that camera moving around or anything like that. It was pretty expensive to do. But you are helping other people get the best deal and support. So try and remember this for me. Now, book bundles. For all of you who want bundles but think they're a little expensive, especially all of my friends outside of the US from all over the world, think about this this way. If you were taking private lessons every week, which is what my videos are, buying bundles is a great deal. The going rate for weekly lessons is $30 a lesson. If you have all 3 bundles, that's 4 years of weekly lessons, and it would cost you $6,240 paying a teacher to do what I'm doing. And including with the book bundle, you now get my MIDI file for each song, gives you all the extra notes, and you've seen the advantages of the MIDI files now. You get the setting emailed to you, and the new bank is going to be emailed to you, so you don't have to do a darn thing. And you get the custom music. Now, the custom music, I have to explain the process to you. Okay, so first I got to copy the music, scan it into my computer. Then I have to delete all of the chords that are on that music. Now this is a big process, takes a couple hours to do, because when I'm teaching my play chords like a pro, I gotta have everything on there to make you guys better players. So I've got to re-put all of my chords, which are the pro chords, because easy play chords are just easy play chords. Now, yeah, it's great, and if you just follow the music, it's great. But if you want to learn how to play the right hand better, these MIDI files are incredible. But I've still got to put every chord on there with the fingering, and of course the notes that you're supposed to be playing for that chord, that's the proper inversion. And I'm spending the time to make sure you know which notes to hold when you're going to the next chord, which they're in red, right? So this is the process. I've also got to find the style for the Tyros if it doesn't have the Genos style in it. And anyway, this process of making this music for you guys it's about a 5-hour process in total. And I have to record the video for the song of the week, and then I've also got to record the MIDI file. So I've got to play these things perfect for you twice, which takes time. But putting the music the way I do, with all the settings and everything right on there, which intro, and of course on the back of page 1, it gives both Genos and Tyros people who don't have my bundles or anything, it puts all the settings on there as well. So you can imagine it's a lot of work. But I love doing it for you. I started teaching the same class in '73. I know you guys got an email from me about that, which was really from the heart. Now, if you think they're expensive, this is a great gift from your spouse. Let's think about this for a minute, okay? It's over a $6,000 value. And even if you're buying all 3 bundles from overseas, you know, it is what it is, right? But this is a great gift from your spouse. Now, if your spouse loves you, then maybe on Christmas or Valentine's Day or your birthday, she buys you a bundle or all 3 bundles. This is a gift that keeps on giving. You're using it every day and every week. What kind of gift could you get like that? Now, if your wife can't stand you, right? Some people have been married 40, 50, 60 years. That's the perfect gift for her to give you to, or him to give you to. Why? You'll be in your room playing your Genos, not bugging your wife. So you could pitch that to her and say, hey, you won't even have to deal with me for 2 or 3 hours a day. Trust me, she'll get it for you. Pretty funny, huh? So it's a great gift, but you're going to use it all the time. It's a perfect gift. And if you purchase your Genos for me, you not only get a great price, you get my entire bundle. And you're really supporting the store. And make sure when you're watching those YouTube videos, please put a comment down there. I don't care if it's something you don't like. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. You can't hurt my feelings. Put it on there. Everything I've done to improve my videos has been suggestions from all of you out there. And having this tool of YouTube to be able to teach my class around the world is really amazing. And believe me, we do not make money on these book bundles. Most stores stopped carrying music, like I said, after the strike because the music book department took up a huge space in their store and they weren't making any profit on it. We still have a huge music book department with over $100,000 worth of music in it because we think we have to do that. It's not a profit center. And what Kathy goes through to mail these overseas, believe me, we're not making any money on bundles going overseas, but we are helping people around the world. And it's made, you guys have made me the #1 Genos Tyros YouTube guy in the world. And it's pretty exciting being able to teach all of you out there and help your playing get better. And you just can't imagine. I really love doing this for you guys. And I just imagine what I could have done if this technology was available in 1973 when I started teaching these classes. And believe me, I had huge classes. Sometimes I had over 100 people in my class. Now I've got over 2,500 of you guys in my class. It's really great technology, and I want you to know how much I enjoy doing all this work all week on this Song of the Week and Buttons class. So please remember to thumbs me up if you like it. If you got to thumbs me down, please put an explanation there. That would be important. But the more input I get from you guys, the better my videos get. Please remember that. So until next time, Mike Mixon from the Mike Mixon, whatever you want to call this, music and memorabilia room here on Sunday. Have a great day, and of course, keep playing, and I hope you're enjoying everything that I do every week. See you next time.